already a fan of whole food diets?
Or are you just starting to explore the benefits of this way of eating? Either way, we've got some great information and tips to help you get the most out of your whole food diet and take it to the next level.
Whole food diets are all about eating foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. They're nutrient-rich and can improve your heart health, lower your risk of chronic diseases, and even boost your mood and energy levels. But if you want to maximize the benefits of your whole food diet, it's not just about what you eat, it's also about your lifestyle. Regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep are all important components of a healthy, balanced life. That's why we created WholeFoodDiets.net. Our website is packed with valuable resources, including recipes, meal plans, and lifestyle tips to help you make the most of your whole food diet. Plus, you'll find a supportive community of like-minded individuals who can help you stay motivated and on track. So if you're ready to take your whole food diet to the next level, head to WholeFoodDiets.net today. Our mission is to help you achieve optimal health and well-being through whole food diets. We can't wait to join you on this journey.